This is a warning to everyone. I did this for kind of scientific stroke educational reasons and it was a fail. Please do not try this at home. Hi guys and welcome back to my shiny Chanel. I have been filming some stuff but I haven't actually used any of it. I don't know what we're doing about that. It is time that we do the tattoo. So I've got two screens. So we've got this screen and we've got this one where you will be able to see what I'm about to do to myself. So I watched the Corinne video where she's tattooed herself in the, I want to say like Tibetan monk style. So this form of tattooing was first invented at such day, I don't know. All I know is Tibetan monks do it. It's great. Yay. This is something that I did actually really want to do. So I went to the same website as what she used, which is the Kit place. I got a 10% off coupon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ink pots. Okay. I got about 13 needles that are all like sterilised. So that's great. Everything's sterilised. I've got some clean kitchen towel. I've got an unopened bed sheet that I'm going to use as kind of like base camp for my tattooing skill, because I know if tattoo ink goes anywhere, you ain't getting it out, son. So what are we gonna do? Well, good question, guys. First, we're gonna take some kitchen roll and we're gonna go and find our bin because we're gonna need to use it. Okay, something just fell over, but I'm sure it's fine. We'll worry about that another time. Okay, so I'm gonna sterilise my plastic bed sheet base cam with my trusty white spirit. Yes, I'm probably going to get an infection from this, and do not do this at home. I don't know, you might see it and you might think, wow, that looks like fun, I want to do that, and do it. I don't know, I'm not you, I don't know what goes on in your head. In my head it's just because I'm having a time at the moment. Everything's sterilised. I've got my little needle set, got my little pots to put my ink in, and they just sent me an ink cartridge. It just, to be honest with you, it all just came in an envelope. Like, there was no, hi, thanks for purchasing this is how it works, da, 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 da. Absolutely nothing. So suck. Right, so what we're going to do first is we need to try and mark the area. Now, I've decided I know what I want, and I looked online, saw that you can do it with like Sharpies, but the only Sharpie I have is a purple highlighter, so that's fine, we'll do it with a purple highlighter. What's the worst that can happen? Now, the design I want is on the phone that we're using to film my leg, so that's a problem, and also I've got to draw upside down. So I've got to try and find it on my pink phone. So let's do that. Okay, so headphones as well, a necessity because this is going to take me a hot minute. I should probably refill my vape as well. I'm prepared. I did it! Right, I'm just going to sterilise my hands because I've got vape juice on them and I don't know how unsterilised vape juice is, and I'm going to sterilise my vape because health and safety. Now, I'm not going to wear gloves because I'm me and I know me, so hey, why would I wear gloves? Also, yes, there is a reason why I'm not wearing a lot of clothes, because tattoo ink stains. Okay, you get it on anything, it is stained. So I'm going to really try and not get it on my sheets because I would be very sad about that. That's leaking as well. That's a problem. Okay, so we're going to have to use a little bit to deal with the leakage. Just a little touch. So, we're going to sterilise the vape real quickly. This is highly flammable and that's a battery, so that might have been really stupid. I don't know. I might just wipe some more of that off. Yeah. That's what I just did. Strong moves. I think it's fine. So whatever. If it blows up, it blows up. A lot of stuff's going to go wrong today. I accept that. So we have sterilised. The traditional Thai tattoos are engraved into the skin with a long metal spike, which is what we're doing today. Ignore the hair, that's sterile. The needle is dipped into the ink and repetitively jabbed through the flesh by hand. Monks will often choose a sacred design as well as a location of your tattoo based on your aura. My aura is saying do it on my leg, and I want a symbol of strength. So, and I picked one and I think I can draw it backwards, but I'm not too sure. Okay, so I'm going for this symbol of strength right here. So this is what I'm going to try and draw on my leg with my Sharpie. And then it's what I'm going to try and pinprick onto my leg with my needles. We'll get 4 ready. We're going to get podcast ready. Right, everything's sterilised, kids, don't worry. So now you are going to see me attempt to draw that symbol in a very light Sharpie on my leg. Here, I don't know how I'm going to do this. Okay, that's not showing up. Problems. Okay, so instead we're gonna use a neon fine ballpoint pen. It's the same thing. I don't... Ink's ink, whatever. Okay, so we want a... No, that's not right. Okay. This is very difficult to draw. Line 1, you can't even see it because it's in bright pink. But line 1 has been drawn. I wish I could tilt you a little bit more. Okay, you can't really see it because it's in pink, but it's there. Not angry. Should be more curved. Curve it. Welcome to the difficult part. So then a line out that matches this line. It's difficult. Very slight point, which then comes in slightly and brings it down. Okay, well I've done it. I mean, like, I don't think you can see. See, the problem is it's quite pointy. Oh, it's run out of ink. Great. Okay. Has it though? Great. So we're just gonna finish off with biro because, okay. I do not think for a second you can see it. It is supposed to be the Chinese symbol of strength, which we all know I need a lot of. And there is, if I really botch it up, I'm just gonna ask my friend to fix it. So I finished it off with a bit of biro, and yeah, so now we just start stabbing, I guess. Jesus, take the wheel. When like the ink disperses, it really does disperse. So that's something to keep in mind if you're planning on like doing this yourself. Like, you know, just a little squeeze is enough. Got our ink. We've got our needles. It's already gone wrong. Don't do this at home. Let's start it. And yeah, that is why I'm wearing black, you see, because this gets messy quick. You rip the top off, you scoop it down. Yep. So you're not going to be able to see me dipping it in the ink, that's the problem. It doesn't hurt that bad. I don't know if I went in deep enough, but I can see why people put podcasts on. I'm going to put a podcast on because I'm going to be here for a while and it doesn't actually hurt, which is amazing. So, sorry guys, I'm going into podcast land. Taking its time. I've dropped you one too many times. So we're getting somewhere. See if I can show you my progress. Okay, good problem. I'm not in the lines anymore. So like discreetly get back into the lines, but I'm not in the lines.
You've got mail.
I cannot get a good position for you guys. I am so scared to wipe this in case it hasn't actually stuck. This is so boring. I should have done something small. I'm getting really confused because sometimes it really hurts and sometimes it doesn't, but you know, we're achieving. We're achieving. It doesn't look like the sign at all. I think I'm going to have to go over this a couple of times because I think as soon as I wipe this over, it's gone. I think I've broken this camera as well. This is fun. I've got this far. I've just got to do the other half. I'm gonna pause, smash it through, possibly go back over it, and then check back in with you guys in a tick. So stay tuned.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Podcast off. I finished it. I will show you it now in the second camera. And this is my very choppy looking Chinese symbol of strength. Now what I am going to do is, because I'm scared that it's going to wash off, is I'm going to scrape the f*** out of it into it. So let's just do that. Well, this way hurt. I don't think I went deep enough on a lot of it, you know. And like, it's not straight. So in my head, this is a way of trying to make it straight. I should have done this first, like lined it with the ink. And then stabbed. But like, how deep as well? It doesn't say like, go this deep or anything like that. It's all just a fucking guessing game. I don't know. It's not been easy. No instructions, no cover for X amount of time, no like wash off instructions. I don't think I went deep enough on any of the lines anyway. I don't think it's going to hold at all because I'm a bleeder and I haven't bled, which is worrying. Oh, my little scratchy technique is working. I've got a little bit of blood coming up, which means I've scraped the surface. I got where I wanted to be in just one section, but that's fine with me. I'll tell you what though, props to the Tibetan monks though, like, Jesus. I've seen people that have had it done. I'm going to insert pictures here of how good it is and how good they are against how I am. I did maybe try for something a little bit too difficult. I'm not going to lie. Okay, I'm done with it. I'm going to leave it now. This is what I've achieved. This is the tattoo that I've just done. Hopefully it's okay, who knows? Let's go and show mum and dad. It'll probably wash off in a week. I'm guessing it's going to wash off. That big black blob there, that was just an ink spill from the explosion, so don't worry about that. We're just literally looking at the very badly shaped Chinese lettering.
3 weeks later.
What the did I do to myself? Do you know, there's a big old area of leg that I've inserted here. If it is as bad as what I think it might be. And my dumbass forgot to film an ending to this video, so once again, do not try this at home. I hope you all have a magical day. Hit that subscribe button, I'll be your best friend. And that like button if you liked the video of me totally ruining my leg. And let me know if I should attempt it again, because I've got some tattoos that could do with touch-ups. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!